Disabling two-factor authentication on Zomato can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your mobile device or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Zomato account. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the two-factor authentication. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your profile or account settings. This is usually found in a menu or by tapping on your profile picture. Step 4. Find security settings. Look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. In this section, you should see options related to two-factor authentication. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may be asked to confirm your choice or enter a verification code to complete the process. After following these steps, you will have successfully disabled two-factor authentication on your Zomato account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password.